Today, I am going to share 6 invaluable insights that first-time homebuyers wish they had known before taking the plunge. Let's dive in. Number 1, the perfect home isn't perfect. First-time buyers often fall for a home that looks flawless on the surface, but remember, even newly renovated properties can have hidden issues. Always get a home inspection. It is a non-negotiable. It uncovers hidden problems, provides leverage for price negotiation, and helps you budget for future repairs. Number 2, move beyond your online search. While online tools are great for the initial research, they're just the beginning. Seriously. Number 3, get pre-approved for your mortgage. It gives you a realistic budget and shows sellers that you are serious. It also speeds up the home buying process. Number 4, stay on top of your deadlines. The home buying process is full of critical deadlines. Create a timeline, work closely with your realtor and lender, set reminders for important dates, and understand the consequences of missed deadlines. Number 5, choose your lender wisely. Your lender can make or break the home buying experience. What to look for: competitive rates, excellent communication, quick response time, and positive reviews from their past clients. Number 6, patience is key. Finding the right home takes time, so don't get discouraged. Stay persistent, keep making offers, be open-minded to different neighborhoods, and trust the process. A few bonus tips for you. Consider these extra insights I've gained over the years. Understand all costs. Factor in your property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Budget for those unexpected repairs, and location does matter. Research the neighborhood thoroughly, consider future development plans in the area, and don't overextend yourself. Buy within your means, leave room in your budget for life's other expenses. Remember, buying your first home is a journey. It is normal to feel a mix of excitement and anxiety, but with the right preparation and a trusted realtor by your side, you will navigate the process successfully. Remember, I'm here to educate and navigate, not speculate and fabricate. And if you have any questions about the home buying process, don't hesitate to reach out or attend one of my upcoming official Bay Area home buying seminars.